Namaskar, friends. Today is 25th of November 2021. It is a day which is commemorated as a day against the violence happening against women. It is the day which is an international day for the elimination of violence against women, commemorated by United Nations all over the world. It's very painful and hurting that we have to commemorate days for the awareness against violence, that too for females, for women. Why so? Because women have been suppressed since ages. Women do not identify themselves as a loved and respectful entities. Women's allow, permit others to do the abusive acts against themselves because they are lacking self esteem for their own self. I thought, as an NGO and as a lady, I should stand with all my fellow ladies, all my fellow women, to give a message that in any case, violence is never good. Violence is not okay. Whether the violence is against men, whether the violence is against women, whether it's against children or anybody in the world, we deserve to have a respectful, peaceful life. All of us. Do not allow anyone to abuse you in any form, be it physical, mental, verbal, or social. Do not allow yourself also to abuse yourself. Let's come forward. Let's come together. Let's shout out against violence. I request everybody who is in this movement against violence to come forward, dress up in orange, or write something with reference to Orange the World. The theme is Orange the World because orange color is considered to be a very hopeful, bright color. And we want a bright, hopeful future for our coming generations. I have thought something. Let's come up with a common message against violence. If you are with me, then share your picture dressed in orange with a good symbol like this. Make a small earth circle and a heart with a smiley inside it because this is the vision. This is what we want our earth to look like. A happy, orange, bright, positive, peaceful earth with happy people inside it who are going against the violence, who are living a peaceful life, especially the women. Women have gone through lot of violent activities during this corona covid pandemic days. Violence against women has increased many times. Every 3 women we have 1 woman suffering from violent act happening on them. Let's not allow this. Maybe women to women or women to men. Let's not allow this. Let's come forward, shout against, stand for rights, stand for the right of peaceful, non-violent life, stand for the respect. Please support our campaign. It's a 16 days campaign starting from today, 25th of November to 10th of December. Please share your picture supporting the campaign with a symbol drawn in your hand or with a plaque card with a symbol and a message you want to convey. Share your name in the email ID rutujatrust@gmail.com. We'll be waiting for you. We'll be sharing your pictures onto our social media accounts so that it reaches maximum. Let's come united forward against violence, whether it is a violence against Men, women, children, old people, anybody. Violence should not be tolerated. Violence is never okay. Let's say we are not okay with violence. Thank you so much.